Hi, today's recipe is chicken, mushroom, bacon and leek pie. Be prepared, it is a full one. So today we're going to be using the Shortcrust pastry for pies, which I'll put a link to at the top there. And you need to cut your pastry into 2/3, leaving 1/3 for the top of the pie. So we're going to be rolling it out to about 1 centimetre thick. So I'm going to be using an enamel bowl of 22 centimetres and then lightly grease it. Then placing the pastry into the dish. And pressing down and smoothing out any creases. And cutting the remainder edges off. So for the filling, I've used 4 chicken fillets, and they're going to go into a hot pan with about 2 tablespoons of oil. And then simmer them for about 4 minutes. Prepare the bacon by slicing and cutting into chunks. You're going to need about 10 rashers. I've used smoked bacon. And then 300 grams of chestnut mushrooms. You can use the button ones, but I do find these give more flavour. And add in the 2 leeks as well. Mix in the bacon and season with just pepper. And then add the leeks and the mushrooms. And simmer for about 10 minutes. Okay, to make the white sauce, 300 ml of boiling water, or you could use 150 ml of water and 150 ml of milk, and add in a chicken stock cube. So in your pan, you're going to add 60 grams of butter, 30 grams of plain flour, and then mix in the stock. Approximately 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley will be going into the roux. Add in 2 tablespoons of creme fraiche. Add into your mixture. Your mixture will have slightly cooled by now. I said there would be a lot of filling. So press this down into the pie. Just baste the edges with egg for your lid. Cut off the excess pastry and seal with a fork design, or you can fold them. And with your extra pastry you've got left, you can make some leaf designs if you so wish. Again, cover with the egg for the browning of the pie. Pierce the pie at the top to let the steam through, and place in the oven 220 degrees Celsius, 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and gas mark 7, and pop it in for about 45 minutes. Thanks for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a like, and if you'd like to see any more of my videos, please hit the subscribe button below. Thanks a lot. See you next time.